What up guys, it's Juan. This is JB Reviews. Today we'll be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They're at the front door. Great accessory if you are an owner of a Samsung Galaxy Watch, Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's not postpone it. Let's get to it. Alright, so here you have it. You're going to be getting the Samsung Galaxy Buds inside their case, inside the box. So, just in the initial appearance, pretty good packaging overall from Samsung. Putting aside the Samsung Galaxy Buds for a sec, let's check out what's inside the rest of the box. So, right here you'll be getting the USB to USB Type-C cable. Along with the cable, you'll also be getting some of the wingtips and some of the earpieces that are going to be coming along with the Buds, giving you a different fit for those with smaller, bigger, or average ears, of course. So you'll be getting the USB to USB Type-C cable. Excellent choice by Samsung, somewhat future-proofing their product here. Definitely a good choice on that. So again, you do get some of the interchangeable wingtips and interchangeable in-ear pieces. So along with that, you will be getting this somewhat hidden little slim box. Inside of this, you'll be finding the quick guide and the warranty little manual. No one really reads that. So moving on to the star of the show here, you'll be getting the Samsung Galaxy Buds themselves inside their case. As you can see, the case is relatively small, generally good build. It has this hinge mechanism that sort of clicks at the very end and sort of holds it open. With a slight pull of it or push of it, you can click it in. So you do get this touchpad right here on the Galaxy Buds, nice and smooth, overall good build quality. This is one of the wingtips. You do get those wingtips and those earpieces that can easily pop off as such and easily drop back in simply by pushing it in. So you do get the in-ear microphone right there. You do get an external mic as well. So looking at the case a little bit, overall, it's a good build quality. It snaps shut magnetically. Behind the case, you will be getting the USB-C port right there. Alright, so the Galaxy Buds. Overall, very nice build, lightweight, comfortable. They can easily be dropped into the case as such. They magnetically kind of just clip inside there. For the most part, it's a generally good hold. If you tilt it over, you can't really knock them out unless you do shake it violently. Overall, Samsung did a great job as far as this product, particularly if you do have the Samsung Galaxy Watch and or Samsung Galaxy phone. So overall, guys, again, first impressions will be positive here. I'll be doing a full review a little bit later. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Do your thing. I'll try to put out content a little sooner. We'll see. Anyways guys, thank you for stopping by. This is JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.